Welcome. Today in front of me ODYS Thanos, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So let's just first launch the Google application, and after that tap on this icon. Then here click to the settings and tap to the voice section. Then you'll see here the voice match. Click here once, and to activate Hey Google's feature, just click here once on the switcher, and then just tap to the next. Click yes, I agree after the description. Then just tap here to continue. And now just we should add our voice model here. So click to retain voice model. And then say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And after that tap on finish on the right down corner, and now one will say the Hey Google we can see that this feature is turned on successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.